my name is Catara. I'm a video editor and a video strategist, and today I wanted to show you how to add auto captions inside of Capcut on your PC or your Mac computer.
So to add auto captions, you're going to want to go to text, and then right here at the top, you should see auto captions. Make sure it's in your language before you actually press create. And then it should generate it within a few seconds. Now, the longer the video, the longer it's going to take to generate the captions. Now that we have our captions, this is a little thin and you cannot really see the words. So make sure you highlight all of the captions. You can do that by just taking your mouse and just hovering it over everything. And you're going to want to change the font size and the actual font. Now, I like to use Maserati, but Capcut will actually have all the fonts that you already have installed on your computer. You can also add a shadow to your captions. That's really good to make sure it stands out against the background. You can curve it if you want to. You can add a background behind it if you want to. Now, if you want to change, like, some of the colors of the words, you don't want to have them all be the same color, you can change each individual caption block. So you do that by clicking on the caption that you want to change, and then you can highlight the words that you want to actually change the color of, and then you would go to color, and you can change the color like that. That also goes for the rest of it as well. If you wanted to change all of the colors of all of the words, then you would highlight all of them and change the color. You can also go to animation and change it into different animations. So you could make it come in. So let's say you just want it to slide up. And if you wanted to go as long as you were talking and not just, the 5 seconds, you could change the duration down here.
And that is writing the script.
So just going to show you guys the whole video.
If you have a blog and you want to start creating video content like YouTube videos or short video content like Reels and TikToks, then you have already done half the battle, and that is writing the script.
Yeah, so there's a lot of different things you can do to the captions to customize them to your specific brand.
So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Now, I actually have a video editing course on how to edit your talking head videos inside of Capcut. So if you're interested in that, I will link a video that explains everything that's in the course. And then you can also head down to the description box and you can find the link to the video editing course there.